Today I have two wool rug. One is expensive, like this one in a video, and the next one is this. The cheap one, then it's wool, and the lady love it. It is a latex rug. I don't have to convince you. Then it smell bad. You can see the pee-pee smell. It's belong to a big dog that sometimes urinating on the rug. However, the contemporary, the good rug, then it costs $7,000. It is odor-free from PetPeePee. It's clean. The dog, two big dog in the house. They never pee on this beautiful blue rug. Never. However, they laid on the rug and the rug smell like wet dog. The only way then I can show you how I remove the dirt, the saliva, the oil from the dog's skin, the cleaning product the customer used is by cleaning the rug in a special way that I invented. And the tube that shows me what's coming from the rug in a real time. So the PetPeePee machine flood the Oriental rug, flood the wool rug with the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. And the vacuum extract everything through the rug. Wash every fiber of the rug. The tube that's located above the whole system show me in real time what's coming from the rug. In the beginning, it's light yellow. In the middle of the cleaning process, it becomes dark, like a mustard color. This is all the bacteria got dissolved with the cleaning product and flush through the rug to the bottom of the pen. And on the way to the sewage, I can see the pee-pee, the bacteria, the dirt, the saliva, everything that cause the bad odor. Now, I have to wait till the tubes will shows me clear. The same cleaning product coming from the top. You see how clear it is? The same cleaning product go to the sewage. I know I complete the cleaning process. I let the rug several more times for precaution, then I don't have any problem with any odor. Done. I finished cleaning the rug. I vacuumed the rug in a special way, and I brushed the rug by hand and let the rug dry on the floor flat. Next morning, I come to the warehouse, I hang the rug because it's almost dry, so the color will never run. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Stay tuned and see how I fold the rug for shipping. Thank you for watching. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.